Well, first up today is this absolutely beautiful FN2 in yellow. Doesn't it look stunning? Now it's got some mods, got a HKS induction kit, a Teguer 4-to-1 manifold and a Miltech catback system. And we're going to map it using the Ecutek software. So, I'm looking forward to this. Let's get cracking. Well, good morning, Richard.
Good morning, Daniel.
How was your track day?
Tiring.
Tiring? It spanked around Donington, your EG.
Yeah, I got flagged for noise again, though.
Black flagged, bit too loud.
Well, I didn't get black flagged, just had a little general warning.
Oh, a little warded. But it was induction noise, I thought, as opposed to...
I don't know. I mean, this is something that's been an ongoing problem. We've had it right, and we've had it down to 98, and we've not had a problem, like, doing different induction kits and not having the induction kit behind the headlight and one thing or another. It appears that induction noise has always been the problem with that car, rather than exhaust noise.
Yeah.
But obviously when they black flag it, they assume that it's exhaust noise and obviously say, do something with your exhaust. Well, I don't believe it is the exhaust, I think it's intake. Obviously we recently done the supercharger conversion, and I really genuinely didn't believe that that would make it louder, if you understand what I mean. I mean, maybe it could be the exhaust is a little bit louder because it's fuller with air, or
perhaps it's a combination, man.
Or the induction noise is a bit louder, or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, we were running 102 last night on a 98, so the sort of main straight we were having to part throttle, basically, sort of like
keep the noise down.
Yeah, just basically keep the noise down. Just part throttle it and really keep the noise down. And then obviously you can spank on the rest of the track, and then back off again for the main straight. But yeah, it was a little bit annoying.
I've definitely seen you harassing some BMWs.
Yeah, had some good cars last night, 911s, some BMWs. Actually harassed a 911 driver enough that he had to come and see what was under the bonnet.
I like it. I like it.
So that was quite good.
I've definitely seen an EP3 rocking about that we'd mapped, to seen an FN2 that we'd mapped rocking about as well.
Yeah, there was Elan's Colt as well. We mapped.
Yeah, a Colt.
On there.
Yeah,
so
yeah. See that.
There was at least 3 cars on there that we had mapped last night, which is nice to see.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. All going strong.
So.
Yeah. Anyway, this is an FN2 Civic TypeR in for an Ecutek map. It's just ran on the dyno and made about 211 brake horsepower in its current form. So do some work, Rich.
We will.
Let's
We'll make some power.
Let's do some work. Let's make some power. We've got a few to do today.
Make this young man happy.
Apparently.
We will. We'll sort it.
Okay, good stuff.
No panic. It's Friday.
Yeah, it is Friday. I'm looking forward to it not being Friday and being Saturday.
Doesn't make no odds to us. We've still got to come work.
I know, but it's a bit more of a relaxed atmosphere on a Saturday.
Yeah, it is.
People just rock up, give us 30 quid, we stick the cars on the dyno, and assuming it's not a Focus ST, everybody's happy, isn't they?
Can't actually say that.
I can say that.
Yeah.
I can say what I like.
Oh yeah, I suppose.
Focus ST owners.
We did laugh and joke though, did we not? Last Saturday we said we've not had a Focus ST yet, and then literally 10 minutes later we had a Focus ST, and then he was the only person that moaned all morning.
To be fair, I don't think he actually moaned. He was asking questions and stuff. I think it was the people on his posts.
That the forum or Facebook page.
The Facebook pages.
Yeah.
Right, enough said about that. Let's do some tuning.
Yeah.
Okay, so our base tune is now on there. We're about to do our preliminary run to make sure everything's working. From this point, so now we've got the Ecutek license on there. It's called a race run. Once that's on there, now we can data log and we can start tuning. So this first initial run is just to make sure that everything's hunky-dory. That works. So there we have it, another FN2 mapped. This one's done fairly well. What a car, absolutely gorgeous. Made some flames at the end also, which was very good. And here's the graph. So red line as it came in, blue line as it leaves. Lots of gains in the mid-range and across the graph there. And we finish on 220 brake horsepower, which is about 190 at the wheels, and 164 foot-pound of torque, which is not to be sniffed at. Customer seems to be happy. He was doing a jig, so that's all good. made some flames, pops, and made him smile. So that's great. He's coming back again for another tweak after we fitted an inlet manifold at some point in the near future. But yeah, there you go, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Thanks for stopping in and having a look. And we will see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will indeed.